Welcome everybody to the Made From Scratch tutorials. This is DJ ND, and this week I'm showing you a drumming inspired by DJ NETIK, multiple DMC World Champ. Check it out. This combo is inspired by the multiple DMC World Champ DJ NETIK, and it goes like this. Now let me break it down for you guys. First of all, you need to choose a loop with different drum sounds. Once again, I'm gonna start from the kick and I'm coming back on the snare. Once again, start from the kick and come back on the snare. We can now work on the combo. It's divided in two parts. I start with a baby scratch or a little transform if you want on the kick. And I'm coming back to the snare slowly with the open crossfader. I'm now gonna use steps to create an echo. Echo on the snare. So once again, coming back slowly and the echo on the snare with the steps. For the second part, I'm just doing a baby scratch on the kick and I'm coming back on the snare using a 2-click flare. Alright, now let's do the combo a few times in a row. And then the final touch, the same pattern with some extra speed. Check it out.